Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Beauty on Purpose. Today I am going to be working on a tablescape for Thanksgiving, and I wanted to do a quick video here just to show you how simple it can be to create a beautiful tablescape very inexpensively using things that you already have around the house. I am starting with this piece of fabric that I got at Walmart several months back. It was in the clearance rack. I got a few yards and I have yet used it for any other project, but I just love the style and the colors, and the ends aren't even hemmed, but I did not mind. I just folded it and used it as a runner. I am using this gray that I got on Amazon, and this I did get recently, but I got it for my Christmas decorations. It's a little bit longer than this. I did cut it in half for this, but it was less than $10, and like I said, I'm going to be using it for my Christmas decorations, which is why I got it to begin with. These three little jars I got at the Dollar Tree. They're only $1. They're like little milk jugs, and I put 3 of these. I already had them. I did not have to go and buy them, and I just grabbed them, put them in the middle. And these little lamb's ear are from Walmart. You can get 2 in each little bundle for about $1. I think it's like 98 cents. And I've been using them throughout all my fall decorations, and I'm also going to be using them in my Christmas decorations because I just love them. And so I already had those as well. These little flowers I got at the thrift store very inexpensively, and I actually got a whole bag of them. I used them in several other projects already, but I went around the house, I grabbed them from other decorations, and I'm just using them temporarily for this tablescape. I'm also going to be using some of the little pumpkins that I've been using for my fall decorations. I have them all around my house in different parts of my mantle, on my console table. So I ran around the house and I grabbed one from here and there, and I added a few to the tablescape, again just to add that little fall pumpkin touch and add that white color that I just love so much. And so guys, once I was done with the decorations, that was it. I just added the plate settings. The plates that I am using are from Dollar Tree. Yes, these are from Dollar Tree, and I just think they're beautiful. Now, I got them a very long time ago, but and I don't use them every day. These are like my special occasion, even though they're only $1. But I just love them. I love that they're white, and you can use them for any season with any decor, and you just have to add some colors here and there. The bowls are also from the Dollar Tree. Again, they have some beautiful selections of white ceramic plates, and so I just really love the way they look. And this is it. This is how it turned out. I just think it's just very simple. I did not spend much because I already had everything at home. I just went shopping in my own home and created a simple and quick tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to keep it quick for you guys, but give you some ideas and inspirations for Thanksgiving as it approaches. And I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I'd love for you to become part of our family. And I just want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you spend a lot of time with your family and just make it beautiful with things that you already have around your home. Have a great day, everyone.